Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So now let us start our social science class. Okay, so all of you take a social studies book. All of you take a social studies book. Book page number 42. Take children. Book page number 42. Take fast. Have you taken children? Have you taken page number 42? Okay. So in the previous class we have learnt 7th lesson, domains and landforms of the earth. In this lesson we have to learn the 4 domains of the earth. Yes. So in the previous class already we have learnt the first 2 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere and lithosphere. Okay. Yes. There are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Say there are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So in the previous class already we have learnt the first 2 domains of the earth, atmosphere and lithosphere. Already we have learnt the previous class. Yes. So now let us recall that and we will continue our today topic. Okay. So all of you listen carefully children. So there are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. There are 4 domains of the earth. So the first one, atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere means Kaatru Mandalam. Atmosphere means Kaatru Mandalam. So earth is surrounded by invisible gas. Our earth is surrounded by invisible gases that form a thin protective blanket that we call atmosphere. Okay, so earth is surrounded by invisible gases, so that is form thin protective blankets that we call atmosphere. Okay, so the atmosphere is mixture of gases. Our atmosphere is the mixture of gases that is surrounding our earth planet. Okay, surrounding all over the places there is atmosphere. Okay, so the atmosphere is more than just layers. The atmosphere is more than just layers of gases surrounding the planet. So it is also moving sources of life for every creature of the earth planet. So like human, plants, animals, like that every creature of the life for every creature of the earth planet. The atmosphere is very important for every creature of the earth planet. Okay. So the atmosphere is layer of gases. The atmosphere is layer of gases and it is extends about 1000 km above the earth's surface. Okay, so atmosphere is held close to earth because the earth gravity. Our earth planet, there is gravity. Yes, so that the atmosphere is held close to the earth. Okay, so then functions of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is protect living organism from the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the ozone layers. Then the atmosphere is help us to maintain the temperature level. Okay, then atmosphere is helps to retain the evaporated water and condenses it to form clouds. And also the atmosphere is source of important gases. There are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Okay, so atmosphere is the invisible gases. So it is surrounding our earth planet. Okay, so atmosphere is very important for us. Yes, because we have to breathe. Yes, we have to breathe air. So the air we get from the atmosphere. Okay, so atmosphere is very important for our life. Okay, then lithosphere. Next, lithosphere. Lithosphere means Karkolam. Lithosphere means Karkolam. Okay, so the lithosphere is the topmost layer of the earth. Okay, the structure of the earth, the first layer, crust. Yes, in that crust layer only the lithosphere. Okay, soil is the uppermost layer. The lithosphere, the soil layer. Okay, the soil layer is the uppermost layer of the earth. Okay, so it is crust part. Okay, then lithosphere also very useful for us because we have to do agricultural activity. Yes, so the lithosphere, the soils only provides nutrients for land organism. Okay, நம்ம பயிர் வளர்க்கணும், பயிரிடணும் அப்படினா we want healthy soil. Yes, so that soil we get from lithosphere. So the lithosphere provide nutrients for land organism. Okay, okay children. So lithosphere also very useful because the lithosphere provides soil which is very important for the growth plants and all other agricultural activities. So the lithosphere provides food for all the human beings. Okay, can you understand? So atmosphere and lithosphere are very important for our survival. Okay, then we will continue today's topic. So now let's continue our remaining topic. So there are 4 domains of the earth. There are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So in the previous class we have learnt about atmosphere and lithosphere. Atmosphere and lithosphere we have learnt the previous class. Yes, so now let's continue our remaining topic. So our remaining topic, hydrosphere. So first of all we have to learn about hydrosphere. Okay, so hydrosphere means neerkolam. Hydrosphere means neerkolam. So water is very important for our survival. Water is very important for our survival. Without water we cannot live. Without water we cannot live. Yes, so water and air are very important for our survival. Okay, so hydro means water. Hydro means water. So more than 71% of earth is covered with water. More than 71% of earth is covered with water. So that's why our earth planet is called blue planet. So that's why our earth planet is called blue planet. So the surface of the earth, which is covered by oceans and other water bodies, is called hydrosphere. Okay, so our earth surface is covered by oceans and other water bodies is called hydrosphere. Okay, so all life all depends on water. All the life creature or depend the water. So water is very important for our survival. Okay, then hydrosphere provides habitat for many aquatic plants and animals. So our hydrosphere provides habitat for many aquatic plants and animals also. Aquatic plants means which plants grow in water. So that all the plants are called aquatic plants. Okay, like lotus, water lily. Yes, so these all the plants can grow on water. Yes, so these all the plants we will say aquatic plants. Then aquatic animals, which animals live in water? In that animals are aquatic animals. Okay, like starfish, whale, blue whale, fish. Yes, so these all the animals can live on water. Okay, so these all the animals aquatic animals. So the hydrosphere habitats for many animals and plants also. Okay, then the hydrosphere transports nutrients. The hydrosphere transports nutrients, and also the hydrosphere source and reserve of water. The hydrosphere, we can reserve the water. A large natural or artificial lakes used as source of water supply. We can store the water and we can use for our agricultural activities. Okay, so we can store the water for using natural or artificial lakes. Okay, so this all used for store the water supply. Okay, can you understand, children? So hydrosphere means neerkolam. Hydro means water. More than 71% of our earth surface covered with water. So that's why our earth planet is blue planet. So the hydrosphere is used for many aquatic plants and animals habitats, and also we can store the water for our agricultural work. Okay, have you understood, children? Have you understood? Next, biosphere. So biosphere means uyirkolam. Biosphere means uyirkolam. So the biosphere is one of the fourth layers that surround the earth. So biosphere is the one of the fourth layers that surround the earth. So along with the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere is the sum of all the ecosystem. So the biosphere is unique. The biosphere is unique. So for there has been no extent of life. Without biosphere we cannot live. Yes, the biosphere is very unique. So for there has been no extent of the life. So the biosphere is made up of the part of the earth. The biosphere is made up of the part of the earth where life extends. So since life extends on the water, in the air and land. Yes, water, air and land. So these all the things, the biosphere overlap all these spheres. Okay, so the biosphere is the area of life on earth. So biosphere is the area of life on the earth. So where land, water and air instead with each other. Okay, so this water, land and air. So these all instead with each other. So these all the thing is there means that is biosphere. So water, air, land. So these all the things makes the biosphere. Okay. So biosphere means uyirkolam. So biosphere is the area of life on the earth. Okay. So can you understand, children? Can you understand clearly? Okay. Okay, next we will learn about the major landforms of the earth. The major landforms of the earth. Okay. So land is not all plain. Land is not all plain. So land has many different forms. Land has many different forms. So they are called landforms. So the land covering earth's surface is not uniform. The land covering earth's surface is not uniform. In some areas rises high. Yes, in some areas rises high, and while other areas is flat. Yes, so the different features that make up the earth's surface is called landforms. Okay, so there are some areas rises high and some areas are flat. Yes, so this different features that make up the earth's surface is called landform. Okay, so there are four main landforms are there. There are four main landforms. Okay, so they are plains, plateaus, deserts and mountain. Plains, plateaus, deserts and mountain. Okay, so now we will discuss one by one each of them. Okay. Okay, children. The major landforms. The first land, plains land. Plains means Samavali. Plains means Samavali. So plains are flat land. Plains are flat land with gentle slope. Rivers flowing from the mountains bring fertile soil to the plains. So plains area always fertile land because many rivers and streams flowing here in this area. So the fertile area. So the plains areas are very fertile area. Okay. So mostly big cities and towns are found on plains area. Okay. So plains are area are usually thickly populated because in this area are very fertile area. Yes, many rivers and streams are flowing this area. Yes, so this area very fertile area. So the plains are usually thickly populated landform. Okay. Okay, next our major landforms of the earth, plateaus. So plateaus means மேட்டு நிலப்பகுதி. Plateaus means மேட்டு நிலப்பகுதி, highland. Okay, highlands with flat tops are called plateaus. உயரமான இடம். Okay, some areas are highland, yes, with flat top, with a flat top. உச்சி பகுதியில top flat இருக்கும். So that area are plateaus. Okay, so plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. Plateaus are rich mineral plateau area. Okay, rich mineral area. Okay, so plateaus is a large area of land that is higher than the surrounding or more or less flat at the top is known as plateaus. Okay, so the Deccan Plateau is the southern India, covered almost the either Indian Peninsula. Okay, then the Tibet Plateau is in Himalaya, is the highest plateau in the world. The Tibet Plateau in the Himalayas is the highest plateau in the world. So the Tibet Plateau is known as the roof of the world. Okay, so the plateaus means highest land, highlands with a flat top are called plateaus. Okay, plateaus lands are rich in mineral deposits. Okay, so plateau land means highland. Okay, with the top flat. Okay, flat tops are called plateaus. Okay, so the Deccan Plateau is in South India, and then Tibet Plateau is in Himalaya. It is the highest plateau in the world, so it is known as the roof of the world. Okay, next desert. So desert means Palaivanam. Desert means Palaivanam. So deserts are large extremely dry area of land. So deserts are large extremely dry area of land. So there is very little rainfall. In desert area there is very little rainfall and very few plants only grow in desert. Okay, so very little rainfall, so very few plants only grow in desert. Okay, so deserts have extreme temperature. Desert have extreme temperature. In summer the days are very hot. In summer season the days are very hot and nights are cool. In deserts, the summer season, the days are very hot and nights are cool. Okay, then in winter season, the days are cooling. The days are cooling. The nights are very cold. The nights are very cold. Okay, then some important deserts in the world, that is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert is in North Africa. Sahara Desert is in North Africa. It is the biggest desert in the world. It is the biggest desert and hottest desert. Okay, it is very hot desert in the world. Sahara Desert is the biggest and hottest desert in the world. So it is in North Africa. Okay, and then Antarctica has cold desert. The Antarctica has largest cold desert also. Okay, so desert means Palavanam. Deserts are large, extremely hot, dry area of land. So deserts are covered with the sand. Okay, deserts are covered with sandy area. Okay, can you understand? Okay, the next land form, mountains. Mountains means Malaigal. Mountains means Malaigal. The high landforms on the earth's surface are called mountains. The high landforms on the earth's surface are called the mountain. So mountains is very high, tall, high natural place. Very tall, high natural place on the earth. Okay, so mountains or rocky masses of the land. So that rises then the surrounding. So that mountains are rises higher than the surrounding area. Okay. So the Aravalli are the oldest mountains and the Himalayas are the youngest mountain. The Aravalli mountain. Aravalli mountain is the oldest mountain, and then now the Himalaya mountain is the youngest mountain of the world. Okay, so mountains are barrier against the hot and cold wind. Okay, so mountains are very important, very useful for us, because now north side, in the north place, there is very hot and cold winds comes. Yes, so that mountains only used for barrier against the hot and cold wind. Okay, so mountains are very useful landform. Okay, so the Himalaya mountains is located in Nepal. So the Himalaya mountain is located in Nepal. Okay, okay children, can you understand? Okay, then our remaining topic, next page, continents and oceans, we will study about later. Okay, our next class we will study that. Okay children, so now all of you take your classwork. Write classwork continuously. Already in the previous class you have written missing letter, jumble letter, meanings. Yes, already you have finished. Yes, so now write continuously. First of all, put the dates and write, fill in the blanks. Put the date and day and then leave one line and write, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Finished. Leave one line and write first one, flat and low lying areas. Flat and low lying area are called plains. Flat and low lying areas are called plains. Have you finished? Flat and low lying area are called plains. Okay, then leave one line, underline plains, and then next line, leave one line and write next one, plateaus or high land with flat top. Plateaus are highlands with flat tops. Plateaus are highland with flat top. Plateaus are highlands with flat tops. Finished? Put full stop. Underline plateaus. Then leave one line and write third one. Large scanty area. Large scanty areas. Large scanty areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Underline deserts. Large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Underline deserts. Put full stop. Then leave one line and write fourth one. The mountains are the highest landforms on the surface of the earth. The mountains are the highest landforms on the surface on the earth. Underline mountains. The mountains are the highest landforms on the surface the earth. Finished? Put full stop. And then fifth one. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. Underline Sahara Desert. Finished? Then leave one line. Write sixth one. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on earth. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on earth. See the slide and write correctly. Don't make mistake, children. Write correct spelling. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Underline 7 and 5. Okay. Have you finished, children? Okay, all of you listen. Flat and low-lying areas are called plains. Flat and low-lying areas are called plains. Then second, plateaus or highland with flat tops. Plateaus or highlands with flat tops. Then third one, large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Large sandy areas with little or no vegetation are called deserts. Then fourth one, the mountains are the highest landforms on the surface the earth. Fifth one, the Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Have you finished, children? Can you read now? Okay. Leave one line. Write answer the following. Leave one line and write answer the following. First question. What are landforms? What are landforms? Give an examples. What are landforms? Question mark. Give an examples. Full stop. Okay. Then answer next line. The landforms or the natural features. Landforms are the natural features and shapes existing on the face of the earth. Landforms are the natural features and shapes existing on the face of the earth. For example, plains, plateaus, mountains and deserts. What are landforms? Given examples. Answer. Landforms are the natural features and shapes existing on the face on the earth. For example, plains, plateaus, mountains and deserts. Landforms are the natural features and shapes existing on the face of the earth. For example, plains, plateaus, mountains and deserts. Finished? Put full stop, leave one line and write second question. What are the 4 domains of the earth? What are the 4 domains of the earth? What are the 4 domains of the earth? Question mark. Then next line you have to write the answer. The 4 domains of the earth are atmosphere, comma, lithosphere, comma, hydrosphere and biosphere. The 4 domains of the earth. The 4 domains of the earth are atmosphere, comma, lithosphere, comma, hydrosphere and biosphere. What are the 4 domains of the earth? The 4 domains of the earth are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Can you read, children? Can you read now? First question. What are landforms? Give an example. Landforms are the natural features and shapes existing on the face of the earth. For example, plains, plateaus, mountain and deserts. Okay, then next question. What are the 4 domains of the earth? The 4 domains of the earth are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay. Can you return? Have you finished, children? Can you read now? Okay, all of you read. Yes. Then next question. Second question, read. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay. Can you read now? Okay. Then the remaining question answers we will write our next day class. Okay. So now all of you take your homework notes. All of you take your homework notes. Have you done your previous class homework? Have you finished, children? Have you written correctly? Okay, very good. So now once check that all the answers. If you write wrongly, you have to correct it now. Okay, children? Okay, in the previous day class homework, there are dash domains of the earth. There are 4 domains of the earth. Okay, then the layer of the air gases is called atmosphere. Then third one, lithosphere provide nutrients for land organism. Okay, then fourth one, the earth surface, the earth structure consists of 3 parts: crust, mantle and core. Okay, so have you finished, children? Have you written correctly? Okay, very good. Then now take new page in the homework notes, put the date and day. In the homework note also you have to write today date and day, and then write find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Right, children? Write neatly. So first one, dash plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Dash plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Dash plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Finished? Put full stop. Then next question. Dash desert is the largest desert in the world. Dash desert is the largest desert in the world. Dash desert is the largest desert in the world. Finished? Put full stop. Then third one, leave one line and write third one. The dash or the youngest mountain. The dash or the youngest mountains. Dash mountain is the youngest mountain. Okay. Okay, then put full stop. Then fourth one, the dash or the oldest mountain. Youngest mountain and the oldest mountain. Okay. You have to find the answers from the book, page number 43. Book page number 43, the only one page. Okay, you have to read the book and find and write correct answer. Okay, children? Okay, then we will see our next class. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.